Yo, what's up, boys? In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the 3 goals that I set for 2024. And the reason I'm telling you this is because when people set goals, they mainly just set goals just to set goals, and they don't have any reason why they're setting these goals. Right? They don't think introspectively on like, why am I setting this goal? And I want to let you guys know, I set 3 goals for this year, and I'm going to let you know why I set these 3 goals. The first goal, which is probably every teenager right now, make $10,000 a month from an online business. Now, why do I want to make $10,000 a month? I want financial freedom, location freedom, and time freedom. I want my mom to not have to pay this entire apartment's rent. I want to at least pay 50 to 75% of the rent so that she has a little more money to herself and that she can spend things on what she wants to spend. She doesn't have to stress about paying the bills. Right? Another reason why I want to make $10,000 a month is I want to experience more things while I'm young. So I want to travel with my friends. I want to go to Thailand. That's one of like sub goals underneath $10,000 a month. This is why my goals are exciting me this year. Last year I did not excite myself. I literally just set this blunt goal of making $5,000 a month, and it took so long for me to actually become disciplined and go and do the work, because I didn't want to do it, because it's like, okay, my life won't change that much. There's no reason why I need to do this. But now that I like reframed my mind and started thinking, you know what, there is a reason why I should be doing this. I want to help my mom. I want to go to Thailand with my friend. I want to go to Cape Town with one of my other friends. I want to experience life while I'm still young, and like, it just exhilarates me thinking that, you know what, I can actually do that, and if I do, I'd be proud of myself. So when you set a goal like that, have a reason why you're setting it. My second goal for this year is to build a nice physique. Right? And last year, I had the same goal last year. But the thing is, like I said in my previous videos, I was being only consistent. I wasn't making things progressively harder. I still made progress. But this year, I want to get big. Like, not massive, but like, I want to gain at least 10 pounds of lean muscle mass. So I'm going to be eating a lot of protein, making sure my nutrition's right. And why do I want to get this nice physique? And not just a nice physique. I want to be physically stronger. Like, strong enough to, like, what's it called? Just strong enough to defend my family, to protect people. And I realized, like, being a man, you have to be able to, like, defend your family. Like, if it's a life or death situation, you got to be able to, like, defend people. Like, for example, if somebody tries hurting your family, I want to be able to defend my family. I want to be strong enough. I don't want to be scrawny and just get pushed around and not be able to do anything in a situation like that. I want to be strong. I want to look at myself in the mirror and be proud of the work that I put in. And like, that's why I want to build a nice physique that not only does it look aesthetic, but I'm physically capable of like explosive movements. I can defend myself, and I'm strong. Those are the 3 things that I really want to focus on this year for my physique, like my body in general. And let's see. And the last goal I set for this coming year is to build an amazing relationship with God. My whole life, I have not had a relationship with God, if I'm being honest. I recently started reading the Quran. I'm learning how to do prayer. I'm Muslim. I was raised to be a Muslim. My family's Muslim. So I want to get closer to God, and I want to make sure that I'm on his good side. I don't only want to think about life here on this earth as we speak, the 100 years that we live, right? I want to focus on what's further, beyond this earth? Heaven, right? I want to focus on, like, okay, I want to go to heaven. What can I do on this earth so that I can go to heaven? I want to be the best man that I can be, have full control of my emotions, make sure that I do everything with a pure heart, open heart, and make sure I pray 5 times a day. I really just want to build an amazing relationship with God and make sure that I pray for those that I care about, pray for those who care about me, pray for those who do good in this world, and make sure that I have a spot saved for me in heaven, and that hopefully pray that everybody around me who supports me and cares about me also goes to heaven. I just don't want to be lost. I always want somebody to turn to, as in, like, in my deepest moments, my darkest moments. I want to have somebody there with me, and I believe that Allah, God, is the one for that. The one that I should turn my head to if I sin, if I, like, in any scenario in my life, I know God's going to be there with me, and I really want to just build an amazing relationship with Him while I'm still young, and make sure that I can pass that down to my kids, make sure that they understand, like, how important God is in our lives and things like that. So those are the 3 goals that I set for myself: make $10,000 a month, become a strong person, like build an aesthetic physique, become physically stronger, more explosive, and more athletic, and build a great relationship with God. You have the reason why, and once you have that reason why, you can go and push forward. Because, like, okay, I don't only just want to make $10,000 a month. I want to retire my mom. I want to help her pay the rent, right? I want to go to Thailand. I want to buy that Porsche. I want to buy that motorcycle. I want to buy this. I want to help these people. I want to do this. That's why you want to make the $10,000 a month. Now, the morals behind it, that's up to you. That's up to you. Whatever it is that you want to make with $10,000 a month, this is solely for you to get up and work towards your goals. Morally, the best thing to do would be, I want to help these people. Let me make this much money to help them. So I want to help my mom. Let me do this. I want to get this Porsche. Let me do this. Like, I understand, like, there's different perspectives to this, but if you truly want to accomplish the goals that you set for yourself, start thinking in the terms of, okay, this is why I want to accomplish this. Let me do this. And I promise you'll have infinite motivation. Having that reason why, let me not even say infinite motivation. Even on those days when you don't feel like working, having this why. Okay, what was my why? Why am I doing this? To retire my mom? That's powerful, bro. Because, like, I'm not putting in the work to retire my mom. Like, why wouldn't I do that? Like, she's been working all her life to pay for my rent, pay for my food. She's been cooking me food. She's been cleaning the house. She's been doing everything for me. Why am I slacking off right now? I have the opportunity to retire my mom. And, like, just having that in your brain at all times is gonna, like, when you're not doing something, it's gonna, like, just, like, make you feel like, dude, I gotta get to work. I gotta accomplish this goal. It's for mom. It's for dad. It's for this. It's for my future kids. It's for my future wife. It's for this. Have that reason why and work towards your goals. All right? You guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.